Welcome to Libby Tutorial. Libby provides the services of Electronic Lab Notebook and Laboratory Information Management System. Libby can be used as an electronic lab notebook to replace paper laboratory notebooks. This tutorial will walk through the functions to document an experiment. Follow the Add Record tutorial video to add a new experiment. In the experiment form, select one or more projects, enter the name, description, date start, date due of the experiment, and select one or more protocols to be used in the experiment. The projects, name, and date start are required. Once filled, click the Submit button to create a new experiment. When an experiment is created, the section's view of the experiment will be shown. Follow each section to enter the related information. Add the overview of the experiment to the Overview section. Create steps in the Procedure section. Follow the procedure to perform an experiment. When results are generated, you can enter the text results in the Results Text section, tabular results in the Results Table section, and attached other pictures or files in the Results Attached Files section. If you need to document additional data, click the plus icon between the sections to add a new section. If everything looks good, you can start to sign the experiment by first add cosigners, and then click the Sign button to sign. Once signed, the experiment will be locked from editing, and it has been successfully documented in Libby. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. If you would like to learn more about Libby ELN and LIMS, you can schedule a free online demo at schedule.libby.com.